heat. So you do have quite a bit of lint in here.
Oh yeah, we do.
Yeah. And I noticed your vent also wasn't fully connected.
Okay.
Yeah, at least when I pulled it.
Oh my gosh,
yeah.
that's a ton.
Yeah, and this is basically, you know,
It's like a fire hazard.
fire waiting to happen. So
what happened? It wasn't connected?
yeah, it looks like it was kind of loose.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's not good.
no good is in there. So
Yeah.
but yeah, so I'm probably gonna open the entire unit so we can at least get a good vacuum on it, because you can't put it back like this.
Yeah,
You see it?
bad.
Yeah. So I'm gonna check the element real quick and see.
Okay.
Because if it's just the element, then we'll do the cleaning when the part comes in.
Okay.
So instead of, you know,
Instead of double deep.
exactly. Alright guys, so you see Speed Queen not heating. Now, that is not good, so we're going to be doing a quick and easy trick. We're going to be bending the tabs, straighten them out, and we're going to be dropping it on the tile or concrete. Don't throw it, just drop it from as far as you can. It will reset. Now, there's nothing bad or not safe about resetting these. Manufacturer will tell you that they are non-resettable. If you put them in a freezer, they will reset. If you drop them, they will reset. All right, so real quick. So I was able to reset the thermostat, but if it happens again, this guy, he was bad. I was able to reset him, special procedure. Now, that tells me that something is overheating. Could be your venting, could be, stupid. or it could be the blower wheel, could be your venting going out,
Okay.
or it could be the high limit thermostat. So I'm gonna order new one here and new one up there.
Okay.
This is to get you by for today.
Okay.
If it stays working good, then great.
Okay.
It could just be a freak thing where the dryer was taking too long, but everything's checking good. So keep an eye on it, but I'm gonna suggest we replace these because it's a safety thing.
That makes sense.
Normally it doesn't trip unless something overheated.
Okay.
Yeah, so once I put this on, dryer will be working. I'll clean out as much as I can there, but at least for today, you'll be good to go.
I can vacuum it or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
No
Great.
problem. What's happening is they're nothing more than a bi-metal, two-part metal that are placed opposite each other, and they're reactive to temperature, whether it's cold or hot. So it flexes and it stays in one position until the temperature changes again. So nothing to worry about. If it trips, you can reset it. Obviously, resetting it too often eventually will cause the metal to fatigue. But if anything, it's a safer safety limit. It will trip earlier. So it's not going to cause a problem, is what I'm saying. Now, what you want to make sure that I'm explaining to the customer about her venting potential, or it could be a blower wheel. Her blower wheel was fine. Her venting was a little restricted, which we got that taken care of. The takeaway from this is basically, if this does happen to you, then I would concentrate on replacing the high limit thermostat. That is your main one. He cycles the element on and off. And then, of course, you replace the thermal cutoff, the one that I reset. So verify that your element is not grounded as well. You would put one lead on the element wire and the other on the housing. Make sure that you're not getting continuity. So other than that, you would verify that your blower wheel, of course, does not have any lint in it. And of course, your venting is not kinked or any of that stuff. So we're pretty much done here. I'm doing a quick clean out here. And to be honest, the machine kept working. It's been 2 months. I'm pretty behind in some videos. So it's been 2 months. I do have the parts for the customer, but she hasn't called. So I think everything was fine on that. So we'll see when she calls. Thanks for watching. Voltage is good.
Okay.
We should be heating now.
Okay.
Yep, you can smell it. Smell it?